In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download all attachments in Gmail thread. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and go to your inbox. This is the main place where your incoming email conversations are listed. If you manage more than one Gmail account, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct mailbox before you open the thread. Using the correct account matters, because attachments can only be downloaded from the mailbox where that conversation lives. Once you are in Gmail, click on Inbox in the left-hand menu if it is not already selected. This refreshes your view, so you can clearly see your most recent messages and any conversation threads you need to work with. Next, switch to the account you want to use. In many cases, this is a work or secondary account that is also signed in on the same browser. Select the work account so the inbox updates to show that account's emails. When the account switches, you should see the message list change to match that mailbox. Now, find the email conversation thread that contains the attachments you want. Click directly on the conversation to open it. When the thread opens, scroll through the messages until you see the attachment area. In Gmail, attachments usually appear near the bottom of a message, and if there are multiple files across the thread, Gmail may group them together under an All Attachments header. Look for the download icon, which appears as a downward arrow near the All Attachments label. Click that download icon to download every attachment from the thread at once. Gmail will bundle the files into a single zip file and save it to your computer, usually in your default downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a location you will remember. If you do not see the All Attachments download option, it often means Gmail is not grouping the files for that view. In that case, you can still open each attachment and use the download option on each file, or use the option to save attachments to Google Drive, then download them from Drive in one place. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.